Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to always hide captions on YouTube. On the YouTube homepage, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select Settings from the menu. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Playback and Performance. On this page, you can find a section called Subtitles and Closed Captions. Uncheck the box that says Always Show Captions. If you want, you can also uncheck the box that says Include Auto-Generated Captions. Now, if you play any video on YouTube, captions will be turned off automatically.
It's on an ocean slice where
This is how you can always hide captions on YouTube. Thank you for watching.